Many of us are looking for new ways to add income. Team Blue Local can help you do just that through your business and personal relationships, while also helping to protect them and create a home that's brilliant. Team Blue Local is a new referral program which partners you with ADT authorized dealers in your area to give you access to exclusive smart home security offers. ADT Monitoring helps more than 6 million customers with 9 professional monitoring centers and thousands of security professionals watching out 24/7. ADT monitored systems are known for their reliability and advanced security and home automation technology. You can trust them to help keep your family, friends, and neighbors safer while also making their lives easier. Your referrals get the benefit of professionally trained local security technicians, making sure their systems are installed right. Plus, they get access to an exclusive money-saving offer on a new smart home security system. With the guaranteed backing of the largest home security company in America and industry-leading guarantees that cover system-related issues, with an ADT 6-month money-back guarantee and theft protection up to $500 on your insurance deductible. Joining Team Blue Local is fast, free, and you earn cash for everyone you refer who has an ADT monitored system installed. Here's how it works. Once you sign up, you'll have an exclusive offer you can share with friends, family, and neighbors you refer to us. Once they've decided, our technicians come out to their home and professionally install their new ADT monitored system. Then, you earn cash for every system installed, deposited electronically for faster payment. Best of all, there are no limits to how many people you can refer or how much you can earn. We also make referring easy. Team Blue Local manages all the referrals, and each referral has a unique tracking link, and you get email notifications throughout the process. You'll have access to the Team Blue Local app, which makes it easy to access and share marketing materials. We help you connect to your friends, customers, and neighbors. You also have your own online dashboard, where you can track all your referrals and leads so you know their status. Team Blue Local provides customized marketing materials you can share, including the exclusive offer with unique referral code. Your custom landing page will include a logo or photo and special promotion. It's a great place to send referrals to see your personal offer and fill out a lead request. When they do, you'll receive an email notifying you of your potential lead. There's no reason to wait. Join Team Blue Local today. Then start referring and earning.